I am bringing a super tip for you. A tip that is easy, fast and very economical. We are going to make a wonderful recipe based on passion fruit peel. Before I teach you, tell me here in the comments from which city you are watching this video. Then I'll come over and answer your comment. It's always good to interact with you. Guys, we are going to take the peel of at least 2 passion fruits. Put them in a pot with a liter of water. Then we are going to take this peel to the fire. Leave it on the fire until it is very shriveled. All the essence we need has already been released. Now I'm going to take a basin and put 4 liters of water at room temperature. Remember, folks, that I used the peel of 2 passion fruits. We are going to add our passion fruit water to the basin. It smells wonderful. It was about 5 minutes on the fire and it's already great. Give these waters a light mix. Let's add 2 tablespoons of salt. The salt serves to preserve our product. Just 2 tablespoons is enough. Mix everything again. Now, to give the greatest cleaning power, we are going to put here 200 ml of alcohol vinegar. We will also add 200 milliliters of detergent. Mix these ingredients very well. Which product do you use to clean your house? Tell me about it here in the comments. You are also going to take a disinfectant that you have in your house and add 200 ml. It can be any disinfectant you have at home. Mix it a little more. And to finish, I'm going to add some food coloring. Guys, it can be food coloring. I like to put the dye because it is a very beautiful color. Now just mix all of this very well. And our passion fruit disinfectant is ready, folks. Take a look at the consistency of the disinfectant. You can make it at home. The nice thing is that we will be reusing the passion fruit peels, making a great product for cleaning. This is a spectacular tip. This disinfectant, besides being very scented and economical, is very effective. You will use it for a long time. What did you think? Tell me about it. Guys, I'm going to give you a message that is in Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything let your requests be made known before God by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your thoughts in Christ Jesus. We must pray to God to put our worries aside and depend exclusively on God. Only then can we live feeling peace and security in our hearts and not having anxiety about losses and gains. When facing problems that are difficult to solve, we get stuck in them and feel a lot of pressure. Here is a way out: depend on God. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you and your family. Until next time. Bye bye.